Hi there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off tolls in Google Maps. Stick around to the end. Like always, you can choose to avoid seeing routes with toll roads completely. Simply tap on three dots on the top right corner of your direction. So first of all, let's head to directions. Let's set a starting location. Let me make it a bit far away. Sorry, let me click here and let me remove this, sorry, and then add a start location now, and then I'm gonna be able to do this. Let's go ahead and find our actual destination. As I said, you will have to be in the destination and then simply tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your directions in Google Maps to see your route options and select avoid tolls. So basically say in the car or something, sorry, in the car right here, and then choose route. Here it is. And then in your phone, top right corner, you'll find three fast dots, and then you will be able to avoid tolls. That's basically it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.